Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to achieve beautiful and easy high puff on your short 4C natural hair. So stay tuned. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the red button down below that says subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so let's get started.
Go to bed in my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat, and I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. Our lips, they tasted like those cigarettes. Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed in my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat, and I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. If we sail a little bit high, a little bit low, I need us to be